Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Stash. First, open an account and explore the investment options available. Stash allows you to invest in fractional shares of thousands of stocks and exchange-traded funds, starting with as little as $5. You can also earn stockback rewards, which are fractional shares of stock, when you use your Stash stockback card for everyday purchases. This unique feature helps you invest effortlessly. Stash makes investing accessible for everyone, even if you are just starting out. You can begin investing with a minimum of $5, choosing from a variety of curated investment options tailored to your interests and risk tolerance. Setting up recurring investments, like $25 each week, helps you consistently build your wealth over time through dollar-cost averaging. Remember to diversify your portfolio across different sectors for better long-term growth. The Stash Stockback Card is a fantastic way to invest without even thinking about it. Every time you use your card for purchases, you earn fractional shares of stock from thousands of participating merchants. For example, spending at a grocery store might earn you a fraction of that company's stock. These rewards are automatically invested into your Stash portfolio, turning your everyday spending into a powerful tool for building your investment portfolio over time. To maximize your earnings with Stash, consider utilizing their smart portfolios, which offer automated and diversified investing based on your goals. Stash also provides valuable educational resources to help you understand investing better and make informed decisions. Don't forget to explore retirement accounts like a Roth IRA or traditional IRA to save for your future with potential tax advantages. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy, perhaps every 6 months, ensures it aligns with your evolving financial objectives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.